Hi, my lovely Cancerians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Cancerians, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2022. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Cancerians, there is one message that was coming through very starkly and clearly, and that is someone is going to have a new beginning in terms of relationship. Okay, you might enter a committed relationship, start dating. It will culminate into marriage for some of you guys. Okay, a long-term relationship. I absolutely have no doubts about this message. Okay, and this is something which is going to happen like all of a sudden, like you might just not be expecting, and someone just enters your life all of a sudden and your life changes. Okay, guys, please note that whatever predictions that we make through tarot, okay, the energy span from minimum 3 to 6 months. Okay, so even if, like for example, I'm saying that you might have a new relationship and you'll be like, oh really, I mean, I don't have anyone, I'm not seeing anyone. Okay, but then just see you for a couple of months, like 2-3 months down the line, and if any such thing happens, please do come back and drop a comment, let me know. I am like super excited to know what's happening with you guys. Okay, and also there is another message that was coming through very strongly. Was I kept on seeing the 6 of Wands card, which is a card of victory. Okay, so someone is out to emerge victorious out of some situation. Okay, and this has not come easy. The victory was not handed over to you over a plate. Okay, it was like you have worked your hard through it. Okay, you communication somehow and actions played a very key role in this victory. Okay, you actually got disciplined, organized, took certain actions, right actions, and that is how you succeeded. Okay, and that's the kind of message that was coming on very strongly for some of you guys. So with that, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys for the month of June. 8 of Swords, yep. 7 of Swords, King of Wands. King of Swords is something I was seeing a lot while pre-shuffling also, guys, and there is King of Wands. There are two kings, and I think I had seen both the kings while shuffling as well. Okay, so maybe you guys might be dealing with two people. Okay, two different people showing interest in you. It could also be a same gender relationship as well for some of you guys. Okay, I'm just passing on the messages that I'm getting. Okay, so with that, let's get started. Let's see what's there at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, there is some message that is going to come through very strongly. Yup. The Star card is also, oh my god, there are so many major arcanas, though I'm going to stop at that, otherwise the reading gets really long. Okay, so guys, I see that for some of you guys were actually feeling very stuck in some situation in the past. Okay, very stuck. I mean, there came a point wherein you were feeling absolutely and utterly helpless. Okay, you were not able to proceed in certain situation. Okay, and then something happened. Okay, something changed. I don't know what happened. Like there was some kind of a euphoria moment, and there happened a sudden change wherein things started shifting within you, is what I'll say, rather than for you. I would say within you is what I can sense while doing this reading, or that's what I'm sensing energetically. Okay, you decided to battle your own fears. Okay, you decided to take control in your hand. I had similar messages for Gemini as well. Okay, not not identical but somewhat similar kind of messages. But yes, I see that Cancerians, you decided to break free, you decided to conquer your fears, you decided to face the demons is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, because the progression is from 8 of swords to 7 of swords, which is from feeling helpless to kind of deciding to face your fears is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, I also feel that this 8 of swords, the energy of feeling stuck was because you were letting someone overpower you, someone overshadow you or dominate you. Okay, it's not your first nature, but somehow you let others or the situation take control over you, and you actually let someone scare you off. Okay, or rather challenge your confidence is what I'm seeing. But the good part is I'm seeing that in the current energy you have decided to get out of it. Okay, you have decided to break free, you have decided to conquer your fears, worries, and you have decided to take that leap of faith. Okay, you have decided to just face the situation head strong manner, deal with that situation, with that person. Okay, communicate clearly is what I'm getting over here. Like I said at the beginning also, communication is playing very very crucial role in your current energies. You really need to communicate very clearly to whoever is messing up with you. Okay, no matter what. Okay, I also feel that someone in the equation is being very immature is what I'm getting. Okay, someone is behaving very I didn't want to use the word foolish, but someone is behaving really really immature is what I'm getting. And then there lies the key. You need to communicate things. Okay, you need to draw the line that, boss, this is acceptable, this is not acceptable. Okay, and I feel that you are out to do that. Okay, that's the kind of message I'm getting. I am seeing lot of communication happening between two people here. Lot means lot. Okay, there are going to be lot of messages being exchanged. There's going to be lot of phone calls being exchanged. Okay, communication in any and whichever way possible is what I'm getting. I also feel that some of you guys are going to take certain actions to follow their passions, to follow their dreams. Okay, I feel that the kind of message that I'm getting is, suppose you like a certain hobby. Okay, painting, drawing, poetry, photography. Okay, for that matter, if you had enrolled to certain course or have been waiting to hear from someone related to that, I think that communication is also going to come through. Okay, you'll get that chance, you'll get that opportunity to up your skills. Okay, I feel that you're going to take one step ahead towards your passion. Okay, or towards pursuing your passion is what I'm getting. Okay, some of you guys might even start their own blog, you guys might even start writing poetry for that matter. Okay, something related to their passion. But I see that there is going to be some step taken ahead in that direction. Okay, I would like to clarify the Knight of Swords. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords. Who is the Knight of Swords? Ace of Swords. Yeah, Knight of Swords is clarified by Ace of Swords. Guys, there is a lot of air in your charts. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, you might be having air in your birth chart somewhere, or you could be dealing with someone who has air in their charts. I feel that the Ace of Swords again is confirming this point, that someone is going to have some new start in terms of career or their passion, profession. Okay, I feel that some of you guys are all of a sudden going to gain clarity. Okay, clarity of rather the vision is going to be clear for some of you guys all of a sudden. Okay, up until now you were not getting which path to take, but suddenly it's like you realize or you understand what you need to do, and you're going to take actions accordingly. Let's see what this King of Wands is all about. Who is this King of Wands? Who is this King of Wands? Please give me one message about King of Wands. So guys, there is, for some of you guys, now this is very specific message. Okay, very specific message, and it is not for all. Some of you guys, I experience a lot of stalker energy coming through. There is Page of Swords that has come up twice. Okay, lot of stalker energy. Someone is actually watching you over on the social media. Okay, give me a second, guys. Sorry, my reading was interrupted with a phone call. Anyway, so like I said, someone is actually stalking you, watching you over social media. Okay, there is a possibility that you guys already know this person, but you might be knowing this person earlier. Could be that you dated each other, then broke up, and now this person is wanting to come back again. Okay, a reconciliation kind of energy. Okay, but there's going to be again ignition of the old passion or relationship between some of you guys, or old bond between some of you guys. I also feel that some of you guys are going to up their skills. Okay, up their passion, or up their passion in the sense hobby. Okay, something related to hobby, or pursue their hobby. Okay, you guys might enroll to some classes and get yourself professionally trained is what I'm getting. Okay, that's the kind of message I'm getting. You guys are going to definitely, you guys are rather researching or even finding out more information about something or someone. Okay, a lot of research that is happening over here is what I'm getting. Okay, you guys might also spend a lot of time socializing, catching up with friends, meeting friends. Okay, partying with your friends is what I'm getting, Cancerians. Let's see what the King of Swords is. Guys, I definitely feel that someone in the past is returning for you guys. Okay, someone you actually knew earlier. Okay, someone is all of a sudden missing you, or you are missing someone, and you guys are going to reconcile with someone is what I'm getting. There's going to be a lot of communication coming your way. You might get communication related to work, related to someone's personal life. Okay, but expect a lot of communication coming your way. Some of you guys might also get a communication related to a job opportunity. The Page of Pentacles, I feel, is going to bring message related to a new job opportunity is what I'm getting for some of you guys. Okay, yes, but something related to someone from the past coming up, or there is a lot of major missing or nostalgic memory. Nostalgia is what I'm experiencing through this reading. Okay, someone is really missing you big time, or you are missing someone is what I'm getting, and the chances are high that you guys are going to end up meeting each other, seeing each other is what I'm getting. Virgo energy, Hermit energy. Hi guys, I think for some of you guys, you really need to take a break, or you are taking a break and investing time in healing yourself. Okay, Aquarian energy and strong Virgo Pisces energy coming through. Some of you guys are really introspecting something. Okay, questioning something, questioning your own self is what I'm getting. Okay, I feel that someone has taken or is about to take, or is planning to take a break. Okay, or go on a vacation, spend time with himself or herself. Okay, I feel that some of you guys might also go solo is what I'm getting, but if not, I think that is what is advised by the spirit guides, that you really need to spend time with yourself and for yourself. Okay, you really need to heal. Okay, heal over something physically, mentally. Basically I see that you guys really need a break, okay. In certain situations some of you guys really need to step back and try to see situation from some other point, okay, from some other angle, okay. You really need a 360-degree view shift for something, okay guys. Only then the solution is going to come through, okay. Major healing happening for some of you guys. I also feel some of you guys might be healing physically, okay. It could be a case that you might not be keeping well and you are healing from something, is what I'm getting. Like you have taken a proper break from work, and you guys are resting it out, is what I'm getting. If not, please do that. That is the ask, is what I'm getting. Temperance is all about keeping patience, okay. So the Virgo energy, the Hanged Man, the Temperance, so many major arcanas. I really feel that guys, you really need to be patient, be kind, be gentle with yourself, okay. Do not do anything hastily, because the Knight of Swords energy especially sometimes talk about some actions taken out of impulse. Make sure that you are not doing that, okay. Step back, contemplate the situation, introspect, see the pros and cons, and then act accordingly. I also feel that some of you guys really need take time out to meditate, okay, to balance your energies, to ground yourself. The Aquarian energy, the Temperance energy, both are telling the same thing, that you really need to strike a healthy balance between rational and emotional and practical aspect of life, okay. The balance is missing as of now. Two of Pentacles, yep. Again talk of or the act or the message about balance. See how this person is juggling too many balls, okay. If you have been overworking, please do not end up compromising your health, okay. You really need to slow down. You really need to take that break, put a hard stop. If not, your body will give up one day and you'll have to take a vacation any which ways, okay, to heal. Don't go to that extent, okay. Do not burn yourself out to the point of falling sick, okay. So please be mindful, take breaks. Even if it's clubbing with weekends, do take that break, and try to balance or bring balance into your energies. There is this Page of Wands again. Like I said, there is going to be lot of exchange of messages that I see happening over here between two people. Lot of communication, guys. When I say lot, I really mean LOT in caps, okay. There's going to be a lot of communication happening. There's going to be a new opportunity in terms of work for some of you guys. This is going to be in alignment with your passion, okay. This is something which you really love doing, okay. That kind of opportunity is going to come up for you guys, and you're going to take actions in that direction. I have no doubt about that. Strong Aquarian energy also coming through. Aquarian energy, I'm seeing a lot of air, and there is a lot of earth also that is coming through. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, okay. Yeah, let's see what additional messages we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Win-win outcome is forecast, and you are good enough. This card actually had popped up earlier also, and I kept it back, but these two messages really wanted to be heard, okay. So a win-win outcome is forecast, and you are good enough. What a lovely message and confirmation from the spirit guides, that there is nothing to worry. You don't need to feel scared or worried. Like I said, I kept on seeing Six of Wands. That card has not shown up somehow in your main reading, but I'm very sure that you are bound to succeed in whatever it is that is going through in your life, in whichever situation, okay. I also feel that you guys really need to bring balance into the situation, bring balance into your life, guys. I'm getting a lot of energy related to balance, okay. Something to do with balance. It's time to take action. Of course it is time to take action, and you guys are going to take action. This King of Swords definitely is telling me that someone is really geared up and prepared to take the actions now, finally, okay. That's the message I'm getting for you guys. Let's quickly see what another message something has flipped right away. Abundance. Wow. Yep. The messenger or the messages could be one of that of prosperity and abundance. Like I said, some of you guys might get a new job opportunity altogether, which could be an abundant one. Okay, and it's like a dream come true kind of opportunity. Anything else for my lovely Cancerians? A year from now. Okay, whatever it is coming your way might take a year. Okay, so please have patience. That's the reason why the Temperance is there. Please have patience, keep doing your actions. Okay, do not stop. Yes, and improving health. Wow, very positive messages for you guys. Okay, whatever it is that you are thinking about or are in dilemma about, or trying to figure out. Okay, if this is about any decision to be taken, and if your gut is saying something, okay, the answer to that is yes. Okay, focus on improving your health. Like I said, guys, you really need to take break, and you really need to make yourself a priority, make your health a priority. Okay, that is what is required, and you are going to get a lot of abundance, and whatever it is, whatever the situation is, okay, you are going to see results from a year from now. Okay, within a year from now is what I'm getting. So I leave it at that, Cancerians. I hope you like the reading. If any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences. Last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.